We are conducting our Linn-Wilsonville Middle School summer program here at Meridian Creek right now. We have the opportunity to have project-based learning opportunities for all students who are interested in coming to school this summer and participating in some really great learning opportunities. There's a class called biomimicry where they've been really digging into the process of research and designing based on how animals in nature solve problems and how product developers can mimic the animals. Mars mission, the teachers walk the students through 5 different challenges of getting humans to Mars. They created rockets and launched them out in the field behind Meridian Creek, and they have done some animation on the computers and really dug into some really fun science activities. Asteroids and robots, where they have worked with the robots and they are doing some coding on the computers and working with some drones and flying them through the school through some obstacle courses, and it's been really fun to watch them engage in those STEAM activities. Journalism is where they have dug into how to do podcasts and social media and photojournalism, and they've been taking photos of the other project areas and doing student and teacher interviews to create their own journalism projects. We have the Art for Good project area where they have been really digging into the idea of fairness in society, what it would be like to have a fair society, and how to create art based on how they feel. Architects Wanted, they have gone into a computer program and designed their own homes, created the floor plans and all of the things that they would want in their own dream home. They are now creating 3D models of these homes and floor plans, gluing the walls and multi-leveled 3D models together. Middle school musical, they are doing The Lion King. They have worked together to create and learn in a very short time all the music and the acting. Super impressive that all of these teachers and adults and students have learned all their lines and put this together in this very short time. Chinese cooking and culture, where they have explored the Chinese history and culture. They've also done calligraphy and origami, and there's also the South American cooking and culture class, which is similar but from a different region, and they have made arepas and homemade tortillas. Both of those classes, the students are really excited when they do the cooking, and it smells really good in the whole building, so everyone's really excited on cooking day. It's really exciting to see students and teachers making new connections with people and creating relationships outside of their home school and engaging in learning that doesn't always look the same as maybe it does during the school year. Learning doesn't always look like sitting at a desk and putting pen to paper.